Are you curious about language learning apps? Today, we're comparing HelloChinese and SuperChinese. Both tools aim to help you learn Mandarin, but they go about it in different ways. HelloChinese is a popular app designed for beginners. It uses fun games and interactive lessons to teach you basic vocabulary and grammar. The app is user friendly and offers a clear structure. You can practice speaking, listening, and reading all in one place. It also includes pronunciation tips to help you sound more natural. On the other hand, Super Chinese takes a different approach. It focuses on personalized learning. The app adapts to your skill level and learning pace. It provides a mix of vocabulary, grammar, and cultural insights. Super Chinese also uses spaced repetition to help you remember what you learn better. Now, let's look at the key differences. Hello Chinese is great for starters who want a fun and engaging way to learn. Super Chinese is better for those who prefer a tailored experience. When it comes to features, Hello Chinese offers a wide range of exercises, including speaking practice. It also has a community feature where you can connect with other learners. Super Chinese, however, emphasizes personalized lessons and progress tracking. It gives you a clear view of how much you've learned. In terms of pricing, HelloChinese has a free version with basic features, but you can upgrade for more content. Super Chinese also offers a free trial, but its full features require a subscription. So, which one should you choose? If you're a beginner looking for a fun way to start, HelloChinese is a solid choice. If you want a more customized learning experience, go for Super Chinese. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more language tips.